shit. What's up, you sexy f***s? Alright, gamers. Today we're gonna be unboxing something because I got this in the mail. I most likely won't do a lot of unboxing videos on this channel and on my Twitter or wherever this is going. But this one is an unboxing because I got this in the mail today. Don't look at my street number, bro. Are you weird? Alright, but let's get to it. I'll let you guys see first. Oh shit. Okay, I don't want to ruin the. Because I know there's a bag inside the bag, bro. I don't want to ruin it. Don't want to ruin the bag in the bag. Alright, we good. Shit, you see it? What does that say? The first ever Project 7 merchandise. Oh, bro, I'm so excited for this. Thank you, Mark. He shipped it, and he had them all in his possession before anyone else did, I think. Shout out, Mark. You're the GOAT. Alright, let's see it. It smells new. Alright, let's get it from the back first here, because that's what you saw first. Focus, there we go. I think it's called like the Project 7 Raise hoodie or something. Project 7, a cool ass car. And like styling, bro. I really like this. And you see the number, like the plate on the car says 7, season 2021 or something. And I don't know what that is. Chinese numbers. Wait, that's the smiley, bro. Oh my god. Whenever you get matched up with someone with that in their name, you know you're winning, bro. Life has no meaning until you give it meaning. Official merch by the Project 7. This is so aesthetic. Like, this is so me. I'm a part of this team until 6 drops me, bro. And then the front with the sexy ass, so clean. Come on. Straight up 7 VII season 2021 again, and the numbers. Or I swear to god, I should have dropped out of school, bro. The moment y'all been waiting for. Seeing Mr. Limxyy, seeing me put this on, cause yeah, bro. Yo. It may not be hoodie season, but like, yo, I'm rocking this all year. I don't care. Ooh. Are we doing it? Yeah. Alright, the front, yo. This is comfy, bro. This is comfy. Woo! Ooh, the back. Sheesh. Bro, this is so clean. Once again, thank you to everyone in the team for making it possible, the leads especially. This is just insane. I couldn't imagine being in a team doing stuff like this with even bigger stuff in the future, bro. I never thought I'd get this far, and it's insane to be a part of. It's so good. But yeah, guys, next drop's coming soon. Stay tuned, because more of these hoodies are coming in the future, very soon, for a restock. Larger sizes as well, so you can get like double XL or something. It'll be crazy. Go cop it, rep it to your friends. Yeah, I have nothing else to say. Project 7 to the moon, baby. Let's go.